Hi, my name is Dennis, and today we'll show you how to unpack the OLED TV. It's a little bit different than our other TVs. It's packaged, I would have to say, quite sophisticated and very, very easy to unpack. We made it a little bit easier than on other TVs. So the key thing is you have to find these special connectors. They're in the front and in the back. So there's 4 of them on every single TV. Very simple. All you have to do is you need to squeeze the 2 knobs together, lift up, and take it out. Okay, you do it on both sides. You do it there, and as I've said, there's also 2 additional ones in the back. Now, here's the trick. Now it gets very simple. I'm going to ask for some help. You need to lift the top. Go ahead, lift it up, lift it up. There we go. And the TV is unpacked. Much easier because this is a sensitive TV. You don't want to do a lot of lifting out of the box, and then you unpackage it and you're ready to go.